Hey tubers!
Twitching Hill Earthship. This is the 17th update, and this is inside the Earthship.
This is what we've been up to on the inside. So we've now got a carport down. At the moment we're just finishing off the back wall here. We're putting some tin sheeting in to close in the back.
This will be our entrance, so we've just started, because this truss will be visible. So we've just started putting in the wood. There'll be another wall here and our entrance door and a wall, but that's the next stage that we're on. But we'll just take you down the end.
So like I said, we've had some big rains and the windows have held up excellently. There's been a couple of leaks on the bottom of the full windows, but the opening windows haven't leaked at all, so we're really happy with that. What else have we got? We've got the bottle wall at the end.
Now the wooden logs are going to be sealed in between them, but they'll be exposed and we'll oil them so they'll be a real standout feature. Yeah, the bottled wall, so we've had huge support from JURIEN Bay locals.
Wine drinkers?
Yeah, they have been collecting bottles for us, because actually after 3.5 years of starting this build, I actually thought we'd collected enough bottles and we hadn't. So there's about 260 bottles in this wall, and I, having a bit of OCD, wanted them to be the same colour and the same style. So that took a bit of doing, but I thank locals, even Cervantes and some further away, who sent bottles up to us, which was fantastic. And also now in WA they're doing 10-cent recycling bottles, but wine bottles aren't included in that, so it's good they've gone for a good one. So thank you for that.
Now this wall here was going to be actually a tin wall, corrugated iron, but we've managed to get a whole bunch of free bricks. So we decided to put this wall, make this wall a double brick wall, and then we're going to render it. So it'll be the same as this.
And the bottles wall as well will be rendered in between the bottles, so it will all look very sleek, hopefully, once we finish.
Yeah.
But the big part is we now have an outdoor area.
Yeah. So this concrete might look grey, but it's actually it needs an acid wash. It's got a jasper colour in it. And the other thing we did with it was, if you can see it very well. So that is a rock salt finish. So when the concrete was laid, we threw handfuls of rock salt across it, and then got a roller and rolled them all in. And then once the concrete had set, we hosed it out and we put some relief lines in, which are these lines here. So if it does crack, hopefully it will crack along the fracture lines.
And that's about it. So this part of the build, we're also going to be on the next stage of making the doors, the glass doors that will go in here.
Yeah.
And obviously getting the other end done, and that will be on the next stage.
We were going to put some bifold doors in here, but the wind out here is so strong that we figured it was going to rattle too much.
And just not be strong enough. And but we'll be able to use those doors because we did actually buy them, so we should be able to use them inside the house. But yeah, that'll be later on. So. Anyway, hope you enjoy this. It's short and sweet, but yes. So just so you know, we're still busy on the build.
Yeah.
And stay safe, and hopefully there'll be an update just before Christmas.
And thanks for all the good comments.
Yes.
that a lot of you people have put out there. Really appreciate them.
And apologise for not commenting to the ones that are leaving. It's just, yeah, we just haven't...
We're useless.
Yeah, we're useless at that part.
Yeah.
But we're just trying to spend as much hours as we can on the build.
Yeah.
So, but thank you for the support. It's been awesome.
Yeah, thanks for the support.
So far. Okay.
Twitch and Hill.
See ya.